Hello everyone, Namaste. Some may be wondering what are these? These are barren nuts, which not only causes economic loss but also causes yield loss to farmers. These nuts are different from normal nuts because of their shape, their irregular size and small size. These nuts causes crinkling of the shell and also cracking of the shell.
This type of nuts are rejected at ground level. This problem can be faced by all yielding trees above 5 years. In order to prevent barren nuts, increase yield and growth of coconut tree, balanced application of fertilizer is very necessary. For an adult palm, 1 kg dolomite should be applied per tree annually. 25 kg compost or organic manures can be added per tree according to availability. Fertilizer is applied in taking beds 1.5 meter to 2 meter away from base of the palm in a circle at depth of 1 feet. According to yield and farming practices, approximately 1 kg urea, 1.2 kg Masuri phos or rock phosphate, 1.5 to 2 kg potash and micronutrients like boron and sulfur 200 gram each can be given per tree annually. Fertilizer application can be given in 2 to 4 splits annually. Potash deficiency can lead to reduced nuts and barren nuts. Husk burial can be done to increase the potash intake capacity of the coconut palm. Burying of fresh or dried coconut husk around palm is desirable practice, particularly for moisture retention, as this retains 5 to 6 times more water than the size of husk. The husk can be buried either in linear trenches taken 3 meter away from the trunk between rows of palms or in circular trenches taken around the palm at a distance of 2 meter from the trunk. Trenches may be of 0.5 meter width and depth. The first 2 layers of husk are to be placed with concave surface facing upwards and last 2 layers of the upper surface should be placed with convex surface facing upwards and then cover with soil. The beneficial effect of husk burial will last for about 5 to 7 years. Instead of husk, coconut pith can be buried at 25 kg per palm per year. Without digging ditches, husk can also be used for mulching surface soil.